guys, welcome to another video. So we've had a parcel arrive from Kredioo and they have sent their new 6-piece Aurora Magnetic Cat Eye gels. So that's what it looks like inside the box. You've got your instruction manual. You've also got a magnet, which is really helpful. You've got it in all different languages, which I really like. We've also got detailed pictures. I always say this about Krediyoo's instruction manuals. They are really, really detailed. I like that. So, who's ready to check these bad boys out? Look at the colours. Wait until you see these guys. They are beautiful. So I'm going to start off by giving them a swatch like I normally do. And we're going to swatch them over a black. As most of you guys will know, cat eyes always look better over a black. So I'm just going to get them all unboxed to start with, get them all put out in order, and then we'll take a look at them. So these are all in order, ready to be swatched. The colours go from M013 to M018. We've got our dual magnet. So let's just take a very quick look at these. You've got your ingredients on the back. So you get 7.5ml. They're in glass bottles. Now, Kredioo have told me that these gels are HEMA-free. And I can't see anything to do with HEMA in the ingredients. But that has actually shocked me because the price of these are so affordable. It actually shocked me when I read it that I actually went over and asked Kredioo if that was true. And they said, yeah, there is no HEMA in their gels. So, yeah, apparently Kredioo gels are HEMA-free. Please don't take my word on that, guys, though, just in case I've been given false information. But there's your ingredients. I can't see anything to do with HEMA on there, can you? So, yeah. I'd be curious to know if anyone has got an allergy to HEMA and they've tried them. Let me know in the comments, guys, if any of you have. Oh, wow, look at that. Stunning. Right, let's get these swatched. So we've got M013. Look at that. So beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Right, let's get the magnet on it. Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. And then we're going to do my usual. Oh, look at that. I'm seeing like frozen nails done with this colour, you know. Some ice nails, frozen nails. I like that. Pop that in the lamp. So we've got M014. Wow. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Pop that in the lamp. M015. Right, guys, I'm going to pop some music on and swatch through the rest of these. Because, like I say, I really want to do a design with these at the end of the video. And if I leave all this in real time, then I'm not going to have enough time to do that. So, yeah, I'm going to pop some music on and I'll let you watch the rest of the swatches. And then I'll come back in and we'll take a look at them once they're all swatched.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Oh wow, guys, that is them all swatched. How beautiful are they? They are well smart. This one, it looks like it's grey, but it's actually got all different colours running through it. Like, it looks like it's got iridescent colours running through it. Not sure whether you're going to be able to see that or not. Try and block the light out. Yeah, I'm not sure what you can see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Which is your favourite, guys? I'm struggling to choose a favourite, to be honest. I think probably this one because it's so unusual. But I do like this, like, aqua blue. And I like this, how it goes from blue to purple. Oh, it's so difficult to choose. I don't think I can choose, you know. They're all really, really smart. They're all really, really pretty, aren't they? So, they've all had a coat of the Kredioo shiny top coat over the top as well, which is really nice glossy top coat. Now, I want to do a design using some of the colours. I think I'm going to go with a moon and stars design today, you know. I think that's the idea that I've got in my head at the minute. But, you know me, I could well change my mind by the time I've set up. So, yeah, we shall see. So, I'm going to get set up and then I'll pop back in when we're ready to crack on. Right, guys, so I'm all set up, ready to go. Just to save a bit of time, I've given all 4 tips a coat of Kredoo's black gel polish. And we're going to do Halloween set today. I think we're going to do like a graveyard kind of scene. It's going to be a really easy, beginner-friendly design. We're going to be using stickers. We're going to be using, obviously, the cat eyes. Yeah, it's going to be a really nice, easy gel polish design. So, to start with, so I'm going to be using, for the background, M017 and I think M013. And I want to do a bit of a kind of ombre. I only want a little bit of blue in that bit there. Just going to get a detailer brush. I'm just going to a little bit of a swipey swipe. This hasn't got to be too perfect. Right, like that. We're going to get the magnet. I'm going to give it a little bit of a whooshy whoosh. So I'm trying to push most of that pigment up there. So I want that like cat eye bit more in that kind of blue area. I don't want it too bright. Like that, give that a cure. And I'm going to do the same on all 4 tips. I'll just show you me doing this one more. Right guys, I told a little bit of a porcupine. I'm not going to do all 4 nails like that. This ring fingernail, I want to use a glitter. So I've pulled out this Colors World glitter, item number MH2042. I will leave the link for this in my description box below if anyone's interested in taking a look at the whole collection. This is out of one of their Halloween collections. Beautiful collection this is. One of my favourite collections that they do. And I'm going to add that into a base coat. I'm going to give that a nice generous layer of base coat. So we're just going to sprinkle this into that uncured base coat. Beautiful glitter that is, isn't it? So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. I'm now going to give that another generous layer of a base coat to start with. Just to make sure it's all sealed in nicely. And then what I'll do is I'll go over with a very, very thick top coat, what I use for encapsulating glitter. But I just wanted to go in with this base coat first. Pop that upside down and then pop it straight in the lamp. Right, these are all going to have stickers on now, guys. So I'm just going to get rid of that tacky layer from the gel polish. The stickers are not going to stick very well. So I'm just giving them a wipe off with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. So I pulled out these stickers and we're just going to do a graveyard scene. So I'm going to start off with these ones here. I'm only going to show you me adding a couple of stickers, guys. You don't really need to see me applying stickers. I also added a couple of little metal slices as well, so you will see them at the end of the video. And this one, I'm hoping you're going to be able to see these better once they've been top coated. I'm hoping. So I've given this glitter now a thick coat of top coat, and then I've given it a buff so it's all nice and smooth. So now I'm going to paint something on this one. So I'm going to pop a little bit of Krediyoo's C002 on my palette. I've pulled out my dotting tool. I'm going to paint a moon. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. Right, I've pulled out these little black witches. I want one of them to go over this white moon. I'm going to do these nails matte, guys, but I haven't got a Kredioo matte top coat. But I am going to do this one shiny anyway. So I'm going to use the Kredioo shiny top coat. Because this glitter definitely needs to be shiny, doesn't it? Who's ready to see this? Ooh, I like it. Pop that on there like that. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And that is the nails all done. Guys, look at these cat eyes, matte. How smart do they look? Obviously, I'm a little bit biased because I am a matte girl, but come on. They look well smart in matte. Even more than what they do shiny. That glitter's really pretty as well. Like I said earlier, I shall leave the link to that glitter in my description box if anyone wants to go over and take a look at that. I have done a Colors World Halloween glitter haul. If anyone wants to see that, I shall leave the link to that video in my description box as well. Some really smart Halloween glitters they've got. So these are available to buy right now on Amazon, guys. I have got a 10% off discount code for the Amazon Kredioo store, but guess what I have also gonna manage to get you guys? Kredioo have been super kind enough to offer a 30% discount code for these cat eyes. So I'm going to leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Kredioo store. So if anyone's interested in these, head on over there as soon as you can, because I don't think these are going to be in stock very long. They are well smart. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending these out for us to take a look at. Thank you so much, Kredioo. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.